A guide to locating books and resources in APNTS Sioux Fox Library and Resource Center. Welcome to APNTS Library site. It includes our library catalog, OPALs, and other academic research. This video tutorial will help you become familiar with the library, which is accessed by an internet browser such as Firefox or Google Chrome. You can navigate our library system in two ways: by going to APNTS website, clicking the OPALs icon, or from your browser. Once you are at the APNTS web OPAC, users must log into OPALs, located at the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Log into OPALs. Encode your personal username or user ID and password assigned to you by the library staff, then click Login. You're confirmed logged in when you see your name in the upper right-hand corner. To view the full page of the interface, click the OPALs home. I would like to begin by orienting you to the library homepage. Here are several color tabs. First, we will look at the Library Welcome tab. This includes the library virtual tour, news and events. This is where you can contact us if you need library assistance or research questions. Library hours is posted below. The new items box are resources newly added to the physical collection. The Library Service and Collection tab is where you will find the rules and regulations for borrowing books and guidelines on conduct and usage of the physical library. Citation Guide tab includes the Turabian tutorial guide, Zotero tutorial videos, and at the last column are free web-based citation management system which are available for your use. The Open Scholarly Website tab takes you to Open Access or Free Access Scholarly website. Divided into three columns: digital libraries, open access journals, thesis and dissertation databases, and thirdly, scholarly portals by subject and format. The Instructional Documents and Video tabs includes instructional material on how to use the OPALs and EBSCOhost database in video and screenshot PDF file format. The EBSCO database tab provides the link to EBSCOhost, the library's subscription source for journal article citations and to some full-text articles. Just click the image to access to the resource. The password is provided to you by the library. The Global Digital Theological Library tab provides a link to an electronic library of over 300,000 e-books and more than 15,000 journals, which include over 30 million full-text articles. This library will be particularly beneficial for users who are not on campus. Access is by password which you will receive from the library. Tutorials for searching this library is also included in this tab. Open Educational Resource tab are any type of educational materials that are in the public domain or introduced with an open license. The nature of these open materials means that anyone can legally and freely copy, use, adapt, and reshare them. Searching the APNTS library catalog or web OPAC may be done in different ways. You can use the search box to limit your specific search to standard, advanced, author, browse, subject browse, and search ebook. For this tutorial we will use the basic search boxes. Location box search is where the resource material is physically located. The access point box. Drop down the title, author, subject, and more. Search term box is where you enter your keyword. The simplest way to search is by keyword. Let's use the keyword pedagogy. As you encode the keyword, titles of the used keyword will appear. The catalog automatically sorts results by relevance, but you can change your results screen by title, call number, author, and so on from the drop-down box. On the right hand of the screen, you see options for searching in specific formats or get related subjects you can try. Click on a title that interests you to give you a full display and click on the link. There's your book. Sometimes the record includes a summary, content notes, or even both. They provide additional information about the content of the book and can be very helpful when deciding which books will be the best for your research and reading. If there's a book that interests you, write down the call number, the location, and go. Look for it on the shelf where it is located. If you are an off-site student, click the request box below the picture of the book for online borrowing. Then librarian will notify you through email when your books are available. If several books are of your interest, you can click the box of each, which will compile the bibliography. Then take your screenshot with you to the shelf to search for the books. You can also email bibliography to yourself for future use. There are signs on the shelf where the LC call numbers are located. The book stacks have range of numbers on each row. Look for the corresponding number you have on the spine label of the book. Take it to the circulation desk and have a library staff check out for you for 2 weeks. Enjoy exploring our wide range of resources at APNTS Library. Or take advantage of our online circulation service using the request box as shown in this video.